Bar charts. Learning goal. Students can read about the common English graph bar charts.
Bar charts show values of different categories of data by using bars of different lengths. Bars are helpful to see and compare different categories of data.
For my math project, my teacher asked us to find out what kind of fruit people prefer. Fruit is very common in Taiwan. So I went to the fruit market and asked 145 people what their favorite kind of fruit was.
The 5 possible categories that a person could choose from were apples, oranges, bananas, kiwi fruit, and blueberries.
Once all the data is collected, a graph must be created. The first step is to make a horizontal line called the x-axis. The next step is to make a vertical line called the y-axis.
The categories of data are listed underneath the x-axis. We will need to write the names of all 5 categories, fruit, below the x-axis. The y-axis, vertical line, will show how many people think each fruit is their favorite.
The bars are usually separated and shown with different colors to make the information easier to read.
As expected, the values for each type of category, fruit, are different, which means the height of the bars should be different.
Blueberries were the most popular fruit, with 40 people choosing them as their favorite.
This is not surprising because it's an uncommon fruit in Taiwan that is commonly used in delicious drinks and desserts.
Grapes were the least popular fruit, with only 5 people choosing them as their favorite. One possible reason for this is because grapes are often used to flavor medicine.
The results didn't surprise me since only common fruit choices were given. I think if less common fruits were used, the results would have been much different.
One advantage of using a bar chart is that they are very easy to read and understand. They are also easy to make and can show very large or small amounts of information in an easy-to-understand format.
However, bar charts do have some disadvantages as well.
If the information you are counting has a very large range of choices, then you will have some very large bars and some very small bars. These very large bars can make the smaller bars seem less important and harder to see.
Still, though, bar charts are extremely common in business and used by many companies and in many different industries.
While this example may be helpful to show what people's favorite fruit is, it only shows 5 possible choices.
In reality, there are hundreds of types of fruits that may have been a person's favorite that weren't included in this example.
If someone wanted to find out what really is the most popular fruit, it would be a better idea to ask more than 145 people and to give more than 5 fruit choices.